A+ലേക്കുള്ള വഴി ഇനി തനിയെ തുറക്കാം. Subscribe to the Enclaps channel. Ring the bell button and open success. It's that easy.
Hi. Have you ever bought a bulb from the store? Have you noticed something written like 20W or 9W on the top or on the bulb cover? What does it mean actually? Aren't all electric appliances working with the aid of electricity? Yes, it is. They are working with the help of electricity. So obviously, these electric devices will have a power? Absolutely yes. Power is the work done per unit time. If so, what would be the power of an electric device? Electric power is the amount of energy consumed by a device per unit time. The unit of power is watt and denoted by the letter capital W. So 20W and 9W written on the bulb represents its power, that is 20 watt or 9 watt. Let us check the equation of calculating power. Power is equal to work done per unit time, that is P is equal to W by T. As the work becomes thermal or heat energy, P is equal to H by T. According to Joule's law, H is equal to I square RT. Hence, the equation of power will be P is equal to I square RT whole divided by T. Here, in the numerator and denominator, we have T, so they get cancelled. Hence, the equation of power is equal to I square R. Here, we have obtained the equation of power. From this equation, we can determine two other equations of power. Let us see. We know that according to Ohm's law, I is equal to V by R. In this equation, P is equal to I square R. We are going to replace the value of I with the Ohm's law value. P is equal to V by R the whole square into R equals V square into R divided by R into R. From the numerator and denominator, we cancel the value of R. We get P is equal to V square divided by R. Again, for the third equation, from Ohm's law, R is equal to V by I. The equation of power, P is equal to I square R. We replace the value of R in the above equation. So we get P is equal to I square into V by I. That is, P is equal to I into V the whole divided by I. From the numerator and denominator, the value of I gets cancelled. P is equal to IV. This is the third equation. So let us see what are the equations for finding power. P is equal to I square R. P is equal to V squared by R. P is equal to IV. Now, what were the equations of finding heat? H is equal to I square RT. H is equal to V square T divided by R. H is equal to VIT. Since the power is H by T, one thing that becomes clear when we compare this equation is that we obtain the equation of power by eliminating T from the equation of heat. So, if we know how to find the equation of heat, it's easy to find the equation of power. We have to just omit T. When we learn about the safety fuse, we have to learn about the amperage and gauge. Now, let's determine the equation of amperage by using the power equation. If the equation of power P is equal to VI can be written in the form of units. Watt is equal to volt into ampere. That is, wattage is equal to voltage into amperage. From that, amperage is equal to wattage divided by voltage. So, in order to find the amperage, we just need to divide the given power by the potential difference. Let us now move on to the questions related to this session. If an instrument of 540 watt is used in a circuit and the voltage is 230 volt, what would be the amperage? In order to find the amperage, we know the equation amperage is equal to wattage divided by voltage. By substituting the values in the given equation, we get amperage is equal to 540 divided by 230 equals 2.35 amperes. The fuse wire records a position after the decimal point, that is 2 ampere, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, etc. Since we got the value as 2.35 ampere, we need to use a fuse wire of higher amperage, that is 2.4 amperes. Let's move on to the next question. What is the power of a device if 2 ampere current flows through a heating device with resistance of 115 ohm? The given data are R is equal to 115 ohm, I is equal to 2A. We are told to find the power. We know the three equations of power. P is equal to I square R, P is equal to V square divided by R, P is equal to IV. Which one would you choose? It's based upon the given information. So we are going to choose P is equal to I square R because the value of I and R are given and we are going to substitute in the equation. P is equal to 2 the whole square into 115 equals 4 into 115, power is equal to 460 watt. Let's see the next question. What is the power of an electric bulb if a current of 0.4 ampere flows through it and operates at 230 volt? The given data are V is equal to 230 volt, I is equal to 0.4 ampere. We know that the three equations of power, based upon the given equations, we are going to choose P is equal to VI. Power is equal to 230 into 0.4 equals 92 watt. That is, here we use the equation P is equal to IV. Power is directly proportional to the current and the voltage. Current and voltage are the factors that influence the light intensity of a bulb. Therefore, keep in mind that high intensity light bulb would have more power. We get new knowledge in each classes which we see and need in our day-to-day life. In the next session, we will find something much more useful beyond our textbooks and exams.
3 ലക്ഷത്തിലേറെ വരുന്ന ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങൾ ഏറ്റവും കുറഞ്ഞ ചിലവിൽ സ്വന്തമാക്കുവാൻ ഉടൻ തന്നെ ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്യൂ Enclaps, the learning app.